So today I want to show you how to crochet this cute baby bib. It's worked from the bottom up and then the strap, just like this. Then a little buttonhole right here and then with a button so you can attach it easily around the neck of the baby. So you can do this only by following this tutorial, but if you prefer to follow a written pattern, I will of course leave a link for that down below. So let's begin. First, a little about the materials. For the yarn, I have used 100% cotton yarn in a lightweight 2. You will not be needing a lot of yarn for this project. Then I've used a crochet hook size 4 mm, some scissors, a tapestry needle, then a button, then a very small needle for sewing on the button, and some thread as well. First, we're putting the yarn double by taking the inside thread and the outside thread, putting them together and crocheting as one. Then we make a slip knot. And chain 22, so yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And we just keep chaining until we have 22. So now we have 22 chains. We will now begin working into the chains. We will skip the first one and move on to the second chain over here. And we will work 2 single crochet into the first. So into this one. So insert the hook into this one, work a single crochet, and then insert the hook into the same stitch again and work another single crochet. That's an increase when you work 2 stitches in the same stitch. And for the rest of the stitches, you work 1 single crochet into each. So 1 single crochet, then into the next one, just 1 single crochet, and continue all the way across. I stopped just before the final one because the final one we will work an increase as well, so 2 single crochet in the same stitch. So that's 1, then insert the hook into the same stitch again and work another single crochet. That's 2. So now we made an increase in the first and in the last stitch of the row. Now you chain 1 and turn, and then you see all these stitches up here. You skip the first one because that is your turning chain, and in the second one we will work an increase, so 2 single crochet in the same stitch. So first 1, and then insert the hook into the same stitch again and work another single crochet. And then we continue for the rest of the row with 1 single crochet in each stitch. So for each row we will work an increase in the first and in the last stitch. So you see it's beginning to expand on the side here. So we can increase in the first and an increase in the last stitch over here. Then chain 1, turn, work an increase in the first, increase in the last, then chain 1, turn. You will do that for 7 rows in total. You are done with the first row. You are beginning the second row. Repeat this until you have 7 rows in total. And then we have 7 rows in total. From now on, we will just work up along the edges with no increasing. So after row 7, we will chain 1, turn, and then we will make no more increases. So we will still skip the turning chain, work a single crochet in the next, and then just continue with 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way across, no increases, just a single crochet, then chain 1 and turn, skip the turning chain, and work single crochet all the way back. Work back and forth with no increases for 28 rows. When we have the 28 rows, it looks like this. We will now begin to do the strap. So we will turn with a chain, and then we will skip the turning chain and then work 9 single crochet. That's 9. Then we will chain 1 and turn. And then we will work 1 increase. Decrease, 1 decrease. So we will make 2 stitches into 1 and make it a little bit more small. So we still skip the turning chain, and then we insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, then keep the loop on the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. So now you have 3 loops on the hook, then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So now you made 2 stitches into 1 stitch. Then you work 1 single crochet all the way to the edge. When we are at the edge, we chain 1, then turn, then skip the turning chain, work a single crochet in the next, and then a single crochet in the next, and then a single crochet all the way to the other edge. And over here we have 1 stitch here. We made that one into 1 stitch. So just a single crochet into that one. And we turn like we usually do. We chain 1 and then turn, and then we begin the row with a decrease. Skip the turning chain, work a decrease, so begin the first stitch, stop, begin the next stitch. You have 3 loops on the hook, pull through, made it into 1, and then continue with a single crochet in each stitch. Continue like this, no decreases over here and decreases over here, and then you will see it will begin to get smaller and smaller. But we only decrease on this side, so this edge will keep being straight. You continue decreasing until you only have 4 stitches left. After this, we will just be working on the strap, so we will now do no increases, we will just work on the strap. So you just chain 1, and then we turn, then skip the turning chain, work a single crochet in the next, and then a single crochet in the next 3 stitches, so you have 4 in total. So the strap will be 4 stitches wide. And when you have that, you chain 1, then we turn, skip the turning chain, work a single crochet in the next, and then a single crochet in the next 3. And then you repeat this again and again until you have a strap that's long enough. So just 1 single crochet in each stitch again and again. I kept going for 35 rows, and then I will make a little buttonhole. So for the next row, I will start with a single crochet, just like before. And then, I will chain 2, 1, 2, and then I will skip the next 2 stitches and go into the final stitch, work a single crochet. So now we made a little gap right here for the bottom. Then chain 1, turn, work a single crochet, and then a single crochet in these 2 chains. So a single crochet in the first and a single crochet in the next, and then a single crochet in the final one all the way out here. And then we're done with this strap. So we have this buttonhole right here. I will now cut the yarn, pull this one through, and then I will continue working a little part up here, just like over here. So this one can be attached to. So there will be a little button right here. So we will now count 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Insert the hook carefully because we will just grab the yarn. and then tie a little knot. Grab this one, pull it through, and then work a single crochet into this stitch. Just chain one before you do it. Sorry. And then work a single crochet. And then one single crochet all the way to the edge. And at the edge, we chain one. Then we turn. And then we skip the turning chain and work a single crochet all the way back. And then chain one and turn. And then we repeat the process from over here. We begin with a decrease. So insert the hook, pull up a loop, then insert in the next one, pull up a loop, and then pull it all together, and then continue all the way back with a single crochet in each stitch, then chain one and turn all the way back again, and then work one decrease in the beginning of each row over here until it looks like this, and until you only have 4 stitches left up here. When we only have 4 stitches left, we will now cut the yarn, pull this one through, and then weave in this end with our tapestry needle. And then after that, we will place the button right there, and then find your thread and needle and then sew this one on. And when the button is fastly secured, you can use this little hole and close the bib. And that's it. So I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!